Well, video number 2, everybody. This is my end of the year. Let me get over here and turn this on. End of the year tally of everything I've done this year. Start off, of course, with Curly Mac Appreciation Group build there. Yeah, that was a fun one. Partially sarcastic, but it was definitely a how do I say, well worth build for an alright guy. Hopefully this is coming out good. Yeah, my cracked windshield, I've had it up in there, out of trouble. My next build that I did this year was, oh, where are they? Yeah, I should have grabbed them, but let me get these glasses off for a second. Yeah, I'm definitely prepared. But let's see, yeah. That was one of them. Built that bad boy up. I need my glasses back on. Yeah, built it up, decaled it, and futured it. Yeah, I don't play with these things. I might pose them every once in a while. But yeah, this was a good one. I liked it. Yeah, went together very well. Nice and, yeah, I got to work on that one. He fell. I don't know, messed up something. But anyway, you can see everything decaled up real nicely. Took my time with that one. Yeah. A little glory hound. There you go. Okay. But yeah, it's nice. Try and make this a quick one. Then I did that one. Put this, well, yeah, I'll put you up here. I don't know, was it that one? Let me look. It might be. I got so many of these darn things. I should have. Yeah, I think. Oh, yeah, it's this one. So I got more builds than I thought. I got 27 now instead of 26. But yeah, this is along with that one is this one. Yeah. There wasn't that many decals on this one. Put you back over here out of the way. Yeah. Did them both. These two I did in March. Yeah. Along with a Master Grade New Gundam, which we just got done decaling this one up. And somehow the end that this goes in behind it, and I still don't know how, but it broke. But it's decaled up. This one needs to get decaled up after I do my Sazabi Master Grade, which I forgot how big that sucker was. But yeah, this one will be after it, whenever I find time. Yeah, so I got, and yeah, as if those weren't enough, I did sorry, dropped my envelope. I did this one, the Psycho Zaku, and this one, the armor. Yeah, I would stand over here, but I don't have room. But yeah, It's the full armor Thunderbolt Gundam. They're both from the same series, of course. Thunderbolt series. That one, oh my god. Let's see if I can show better that way. It is unbelievably cool. Did I really get it? I got some of it. No. That's actual plastic there. That one, I don't want to say how many. I probably got 200 decals to put on that easily. This one, probably 150, 180, somewhere in there. But yeah, unbelievably detailed. I can't put that one in it. That was last year's. And those two, that one, and Sazabi were last year's. So they're not in the build in this year's. Oh, yeah. I also, that same month in March, and throughout the year, I did that one. And that's a H high grade. This is my real grade. Char's Zaku. Regular master grade, old version. You can say boxes are all right there. There's two more in the back. Another goof. And yeah, and that one, of course, that's a Leo from the Wing Gundam series. That was a pretty easy, quick build. Believe it or not, no stickers or decals on that at all. This one, it didn't have any. That one's, I think it might, yeah, that one's done. There's not many on it either. But, this one, and it's stiff too. It's a real grade. Yeah, it's got, yeah, it had Buku stickers all over that sucker. All the white lines. Yeah. All that good stuff on the back. The weapon. Yeah. Put that back. Yeah, needless to say, it's chilly in here. I don't have the heater on. I didn't expect to be here this long. And also did the Moon Gundam. That's a, believe it or not, that's a high grade. If I remember right. Isn't that what it says over there? Yeah, that's the one on the top up there. Yeah, I believe it's from an actual anime book along the same lines as the Crossbones, I think. I could be wrong, but yes, I've got some cool stuff on it. And yeah, I didn't get, sorry about that, I didn't get to get any stickers or anything on it, but this one, yeah, nickname that one the Alex. This one is during the 0087 or something like that series. Yeah, that was a fun one. These two, yeah, they were awesome too. They're both stickered up, no decals, but yeah, big time fun. Enjoyed them. Yeah, that's just going with the Bandai build right now, but these were built, all these Gundams I've got were built throughout the year. Figured I'd get them up out of the way. Yeah, did the Wing Gundam also, high grade version right here. Then that Crossbones, it was also, put you up there. Yeah, high grade, real grade. They're supposed to be same. They were all, well, except for that one. That one's, oh, sorry about that. That one's a master grade. But this one and these four, You know, the back ones are real grades, and these are high grade, but they're 1/144 scale. So that tells you how big that Sazabi is compared to these others. It's pretty awesome. And that one too. So yeah. Making sure I got everything here. Yeah, that's it for the Gundams. Next would be the, of course, my B-17 that I did with Jethro. Well, it began with Jethro and Joe, and spread out to anyone that felt like joining in. So yeah, that was a fun build. It took me, what, a year? I started it last year, but I really didn't start building it until, jeez, I might open the box February, maybe. I gotta look back at my videos. So yeah, that was my third major group build. Then, yeah, between the Bandite and the egg plane build, and then we go to me and Max egg plane build, where we built this bad girl, which I did just as good as I did before, but it went together, I think, a lot better since I had one under my belt, and I did a figure with it. Trying to hold it with that shiver in here. It's kind of cold in here compared to the rest of the house. Let me do this. There we go. First figure, the paint. I'll be doing another one this next April too. Yeah. Oh. I do believe Mopar was done. Yeah, that one, my Mr. Norm, was done, what, October, November, I think. I don't know. But yeah, that would be my egg plane. Then we go to a real fun build, which I enjoyed, was my big rig build. That's number 5 for group builds. Yeah. Very fun build. Then I had my 48-hour group build. I had to hold it to show it. That'd be my Japanese battleship, I believe. Or was it a destroyer? I can't remember. Anyway, needless to say, small. Hope I'm not breaking anything. But yeah. Put it back up here. Wait on to worry about it later. Oh yeah. Then there's, I'm gonna build my ride, my Grand National. Yeah. Yep. Very nice. Can't see much of it, but I'm trying to speed this up. After that was my Ming tank. And the crazy diorama I did with it. Yeah. That was number 8. Number 10. We come back here to my Cougar, the Cancer build. Yep, that was a fun one. I enjoyed that very much. And after that was my COVID 500, hosted by Fred. Of course, the Cancer build was hosted by Bob, Bruce King. You're doing better, buddy. Hopefully you got that sickness out of you. Of course, the Ming one was done by Colonel Reb and Papa Dan. Then Build My Ride was done by Alex, Build Rat. Then Craig was, I believe he hosted the 48-hour build. Big Rig build was Dylan and Jethro. Eggplane, of course, me and Mac. B-17, yeah, it was a bit of a 3-way effort there between me, Joe, and Jethro and sprouted out the group. Bandai build, me and Papa Dan. Of course, the Jethro was, I can't remember who started the Max Appreciation build. I think it was Jeff and Al had something to do with it, but I'm probably wrong. COVID, yeah, I pedaled around after that group build, the COVID 500, and threw together a M1A2 Abram, and I threw this one together because I won it from the Taylor, too tall, and I just felt like building it. So yeah, threw it together, and there you go. I don't know if it was part of a group build or anything, but yeah. And I think that might be it, folks, for my builds for this 2020 model season. So yeah, quite busy with the Gundams. Can't help it. Oop. There we go. Darn legs are sore from walking steps on these last 3 nights. They're definitely getting a workout they haven't had in a while. So yeah, muscles learning how to do what they're supposed to do is what it is. Yeah, freaking calves and my hamstrings. Woo, they are freaking tight. So, hope y'all enjoyed this quick video. I know, over 16 minutes, but with all that I put in here, total of 26 builds in total that I've showed y'all. Yeah, that's busy for 2020. Nothing like old Charlie Mack. He had over, what, 40 or so. So, of course, as he told me, he was home a lot. COVID didn't help anybody except in the model community. So, and Tammy's like, oh, so you're going to do twice that many next year? I said, no. I don't think that's going to happen. I was lucky to do this much. But I'm happy. They all turned out pretty darn well. Oh, there's my boy back here.
It's ready.
Okay. He's doing ribs. So, yep, I'm going to go fill my belly up. And, yep, this is it. I'm going to stop babbling, get off here. Hope everybody had a good Christmas. I worked Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. So, yeah, it was good for me. Yesterday was my New Year's holiday. So, I will definitely have a good paycheck next pay period. So, I can't complain. So, anyway, I'll get off here. Y'all stay safe. Keep your distance if you've got to. Really use your common sense. And we should be okay. But, you know, sometimes it just doesn't work that way. It slides in the big C and hits you like it did me late November, early December. But I'm doing a whole lot better. I can breathe again normal with that thing air tank, so which I meant to call the people today. Guess I'll do it tomorrow. Have them come get their air tanks, which I didn't use any of the spare ones that they had. I just used their little machine that got the little air compressor built into it, pumps the air out to you. So anyway, hopefully I'll start my, well, I might get started on my Cobra tomorrow. I'm hoping to. At least, yeah, get it sanded. We'll see. Till then, y'all take care, stay safe, and we will talk to y'all later.